My name is Ton Liefaard and I'm a professor of children's rights, and I hold the UNICEF chair in children's rights at Leiden University, Leiden Law School. In Leiden we offer a wide variety of teaching programs, ranging from summer schools to bachelor teaching to an advanced master's in international children's rights. And our purpose is to educate and train a new generation of professionals working with or for children. We believe that these professionals should be equipped with sufficient knowledge on children's rights. And that's why we think it's very important to cooperate with civil society organizations, governments, and also other agencies to further develop practical tools on how to implement international children's rights into a practical legal and other contexts that are relevant for children. And one of these contexts is the criminal justice system. Advancing the defense rights of children is helping as a project to create more awareness around children's rights in the context of juvenile justice, but it is also really targeted at the improvement of skills of lawyers and other relevant professionals in the juvenile justice context. And that is, I think, what we need. If we go back roughly 28 years, the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child was adopted in 1989, and it was really a game changer in the sense that it actually recognized children above all as bearers of human rights. Many of these human rights relate to juvenile justice. And after the adoption of the Convention on the Rights of the Child, you see a wide support, a growing support for the rights of children across the globe. And within the region of Europe, you see that has resulted in additional standard setting, in specific case law of the European Court of Human Rights, in additional standards related specifically to child-friendly justice, and more recently, of course, the European Union directive to improve the position of children in the juvenile justice system. And then the next step is, of course, implementation. So it is absolutely critical to invest in the coming years, like this particular project, Advancing the Defense Rights for Children, actually already does, to work collectively with different partners, academia, government, civil society, to actually to make these standards, these international standards for children work. So what is needed in that regard? It starts with profound knowledge about the meaning of children's rights in the context of juvenile justice. And in addition to that, we need practical tools, practical guidelines to support lawyers and other professionals in their daily work, in their engagement with the government systems in place to respond to children in conflict with the law, but also to support professionals in their engagement, in their direct contact with children. And I hope that this online module, supported by the work of Fair Trials and IJJO and all the other organizations engaged in this project, that it actually helps you as legal professionals to make children's rights really work in the context of juvenile justice.